Good morning, fellow Forex traders. This is Mr. Mike. Today is Tuesday, October the 7th, and it's about 8:49 Central Standard Time here in the U.S. And I'm sorry about yesterday. I didn't get a chance to do anything with the market yesterday. I was doing some family things. So I missed all the news and stuff that was going on yesterday. Now, remember when I was telling you last week that I believe in the power of the US dollar, and I believe the US dollar is still going to continue being a major player in the market coming into the fall. I still believe that to a certain extent, but right now, if you look at our currency strength measurement right here, you can see that US dollar is pretty down now. So it looks like, based on what I saw yesterday in some different markets, the US dollar is kind of losing its power. Yesterday, it dropped from clip there to around 86, 87, down to where now it's back down to 85.74, and currently it's 0.3% at a loss. Euro FX dollar is down, the Japanese yen is down, British pound. Let's look over here. The strongest currency that we have going on right now, I believe, is the Aussie dollar now. Looks like it's been strengthening overnight and so forth. You can see here's the US dollar now, and it's the, excuse me, bless me. It's one of the lower currencies right now. It's still ahead of gold, and it's still ahead of the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. Last week I was also talking about how we're going to be looking at the Japanese yen, and I'm going to bring that up to you right now. Here we are on our MetaTrader floor platform, and this is all the different currencies that we have with Japanese yen. For example, if you looked at the Euro Japanese, you can see it has started a downtrend. This was at the beginning of October here. It was up Thursday, I guess Friday, and then yesterday a little bit, but now today it's gone back down. It's a total down signal as we speak right now. The Canadian Japanese yen, the lines have crossed and it is moving down into a downtrend. Currently I'm in profit of $28.75. I have a trade on this right there, and that's where I have my opening trade right there. And the market now is 96.86 on the Canadian Japanese yen. Let's take another one here. Swiss Japanese. Again, beginning of October, it started going into a downtrend. Go up here, Aussie Japanese. It started a downtrend back in September, and so it's gone down, it's gone down. Now it looks like it's moving up a little bit, and again, that's because of the strength of the Aussie dollar at this particular time. But it looks like it's been in a downtrend. It may continue. We're just going to have to see how the Aussie dollar plays throughout the rest of this week. Japanese, the British pound, Japanese yen, see the lines have crossed, and since the beginning of October, it's been going into a downtrend. So that's what I'm saying. Right now, I see a move going on with the Japanese yen where it is gaining strength against a lot of the other currencies. We can even see with the US dollar Japanese yen, we had that nice flow going up, and since October, the beginning of October, we've had two down bars and another two down bars. This was, I guess, Thursday and Friday, and that's where I was pointing out with the strength of the US dollar, we still have a nice trend going up, but I knew that there was going to be a change here eventually. Excuse me for a second, I gotta go over here. I'm also watching CNBC this morning, and they talked about how bad the economy is, and some of the different things, the stock market and oil and all that. Everything's down now, starting this first week of October. So that's what I'm saying. There's a change that's now moving in the market, and we just got to sit back and keep our eyes on different things. This is the news that I have right now for the currency market with the different trades that's going on. I would say a good trade now to be starting on is start looking at the Japanese yen, and like I said, there's a lot of different trades here that you can get in and start going to downtrend. So pick any of these different currencies that we have going on here, and you can get into a good downtrend and make some money that way with the currency market. Now, if you're interested in learning how to trade the Forex like I have, this is the course that I used. It was called Forex Trading Crash Course. That's the course that I bought and I started using to learn how to trade the Forex market. That was back in 2010, and so I'm going to provide a link for this, but basically it's forextradingcourse.com that you can go and you can check out. And if you're interested in learning how to trade the Forex like I have been, I highly recommend this course. This is Mr. Mike, and thank you for listening to today's Forex Reviews. That's a nice picture of my family there. That was taken at the Renaissance Festival back here a couple years ago. But yeah, I'm the king of my family, and I'm the king of the Forex market, if you want to put it that way. My hopes and dreams aspiration is to be like the Jim Cramer of the Forex market, you know. I love watching CNBC and listening to Jim Cramer and have him go on and on about some different stocks and the economy and how things are going. He's very intelligent, and he's kind of funny sometimes. I hope that's my aspiration as I start building a support group and so forth, and talking with different people and you know, bringing up this community together. I want to become the Jim Cramer of Forex. So don't tell him I said that though, okay? I don't know what kind of legal complications I can get into. But no, this is Mr. Mike. Thank you for listening to this. I'm going on and on and on. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Please click on the links below. Please subscribe to my newsletter and my email events. And we'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.